What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy Reg, man. We back again with another video. As you can see behind me, we got the Chrysler over here. Man, it's hot as fuck. You know it's getting hot. Yeah, it's getting hot. I sure know. It's about to be summer. One thing, when I built this car, as you saw on the channel, did a swap, a V6 swap. One thing I didn't fix was the condenser. So that means there's no AC in the car, and it's getting hot. Sometimes it rains and it's hot, and you know how that goes. All your window getting fogged up, and so today we just gonna put AC in the car. I got this condenser, as you can see. It's the aftermarket condenser, but it's gonna work. So we're gonna be putting the condenser on today. First thing we gotta do, basically take the whole front bumper off. Also, we'll be buying a new front bumper, as you can see. During the winter time, the ice broke my bumper, so I will be buying a new bumper and getting it painted and putting it back on. Yeah, we're gonna be changing the condenser on this car though. I feel like if I do change the condenser on the car, because the heat was working very good in this car, if I change the condenser, that means the AC gonna work good too. So yeah, we're gonna be changing the condenser. So first thing you wanna do, pop the hood. Pop the hood. Yeah. And I left all my tools at work too, so this ain't gonna be easy. So I definitely left all my tools at work, but we're just gonna use these. We're gonna use what we have, basically. So first thing we wanna do, take all the clips off, because we gotta undo everything that we did, to be honest. So like, take the front bumper off. I will be needing these clips, so I'm trying to save them. Without tools, man, it took me about 30 minutes to get this bumper off. Well, I think we got everything to get the bumper off. You know, you gotta get the plugs on the side, so don't forget that. At the bumper on, now we gotta get the condenser off. So the rebar gotta come out there. Alright, so we took the rebar off, as you can see. Look at the condenser, that shit fucked. But all this don't matter because it wasn't leaking from here, it was leaking from right here. So the punch tracer right here, so I gotta change it. So we're gonna put another one on there. Alright, so we got the new condenser. This is the new condenser, as you can see. Everything looks pretty similar. This little butt right here. Got it there. Got the thing up there. Got these. So now we gotta replace it. So basically all you gotta do is take these two bolts out, take the sides, take this off, take this off, take these off, take the lines off, this line. Man, take this off and it should be off. Alright, so to get these off, it's two 13s nuts. As you can see, these are the 13s. Pop off. You see that little pin in here? Do not lose those. You're gonna need them. So we're gonna have to take that off, take this off to pull this off. Then we're gonna remove the whole condenser. Let's do it. Alright, so YouTube, man, we got the old condenser out. As you can see, it's joint black because it's OEM. This is aftermarket, so and we had to go the cheaper route. So Yeah, we got that joint out. It's a couple of bolts. You take these. There's one bolt right here. You just gotta get one down here, another one over there, and then you disconnect the hose. This is the trans cooler. So you take this out and take the pins out. See these pins? Take them out, and that should be it. So now we're gonna put the new one on there, and hope everything is cool with it. All right, so the new condenser comes with these two studs. And let me show you where it goes. So these studs, you want to look at the old one. So the longer thread stay out. So these goes in like this. It's supposed to be hand tightened, so don't go all crazy with it. So all you gotta do is just hand tighten it, and it should be good. So one go down there, one go up here. Hand tighten that bit. And that's it. So now, I'll put the bitch on. So when you hand tighten that bit, you wanna put it on? Easy. Just put that bit right in there. Right in there. Make sure everything line up. Put them couple of screws back in there. Yeah. All right, guys, so we got the condenser in there, so you can see. Just make sure everything is plugged back in and tighten up, because any small hole is gonna leak, because the compressor is a high pressure, pressurized something system. So you gotta make sure everything is tightened up. There's no leak. But yeah, the condenser fits. Everything looks good. I gotta throw the bumper on. Like it's fucked up. I gotta throw this fucked up ass bumper back on. But we're gonna manage it for a couple of months till we get a new one. So yeah, I'm gonna throw this bumper back on. Then I can put some Freon in that thing. All right, guys. So I got the car all back together. So you can see, got the new condenser in there. I'm gonna have to take it to my job to like refill the condenser. I don't feel like buying Freon out of my pocket, so I'm gonna just do it. Take it down there, do it, make the machine do it. Yeah, so that's what I'm about to do. About to take the car down to the job, put some Freon in there, and test the AC out and see if it works. All right, guys, so as you can see, I'm at my job. I'm the only one in this bitch, so I gotta hurry up and get out of here. I'm a fly rig tech, so I got a key to the building. Yeah, so now we're gonna put some Freon in here. So it's a 1, 2, 3, 4 YF. So you gotta hit that. Usually you wanna what's it called? Check the system, vacuum it, and do all that. But I gotta get out of here because it's just me in here. So we're just gonna charge it. Standard. I think this take like 4. Let me check it up this. We gonna find Chrysler right here, 300. This is 2020. Tell you 707 grand. So we say enter. Now we gotta close it. Well, open it. Turn that. Usually you want to check the system to see if there's leak before you do all this, but I'm in a rush, so we're just gonna charge it. I don't know why guys did that, but that's annoying as fuck. You can't even get in there. Like, you can get your hand in there to put that thing on there. So I'm gonna get back to you. All right, so we just opened the couplings. So now enter, and the machine should just do its thing. insufficient vacuum. See, it wants me to vacuum it first before 25 minutes. I gotta wait. So what's it's doing right now is vacuuming the lines and taking every dirt out, taking everything out. They're taking the old Freon out and they're just cleaning up everything. So it's gonna vacuum for like 25 minutes and we should be able to put the Freon in there. So I'm gonna get back to y'all in 25 minutes. 7 seconds, guys. I've been here for 25 minutes already just waiting for this shit, bro. Now we checking leak. Just gonna check for any leakage in there. Hopefully there's no leak and we should be good. Then we can fill it up. And 3 seconds. So far I ain't found no leak. So we should be ready. So we charge standards. It was 707. 707 grams. We hit enter. Yep. Starting up. Vacuum it again. Vacuum again, then we're gonna start putting the Freon in there. We should be all set. Hopefully it won't find nothing because the machine be tripping sometimes. This shit be telling you there's a leak. Sometimes it tell you, and it's too much shit with this. So we ready now. So it's filling that joint up. As you can see, 707 gram. Now we got 260, 270, 288. We gotta get 707 in there. And we should be all set. It ain't found no leak. It ain't nothing was leaking. Everything good. So now we're just gonna fill it up with 707, and we should have AC after that. If you're doing this shit at my job, they're charging you about $400, my boy, just to do this. Because the Freon in this, Freon ain't cheap, as you know. But, you know, working here gives you privilege, so. Yes, sir. Getting that thing right. I've been here for a whole hour, bro, just with this. Almost there. 698, 702. That shit going down. Go back up. Y'all don't understand though, like how happy I am because I ready to swap this car. Like, to see everything holding pressure, everything working, like the AC about to start working now, can be more grateful. So it's telling me to disconnect the rear coupling. So this one, I'm gonna close it. Close this joint out. Pop it off. Up. And hit the enter. Motherfucker. So we all done, we all straight. Right now the machine is just cleaning out the holes, you know, every time, because it got 2 different Freons in here. So you see YF, then we got 4A, 1, 2, 3, 4A. so it cleans out the YF, because just in case you're trying to use this, that's how it does it. Every time it does it, empty out the hose, make sure everything is good, then it shuts itself down. But the car is done. I got 707 in there. All right, guys, so the moment of truth. I'm gonna try this, and see. We about to try this and see if it works. So we're gonna climate on, low, hit AC. Where's the AC? There should be an AC right there. Oh, yeah, that joint blowing cold. And the compressor just kicked. Yeah, we good. Gonna try like this till I get home and see how cold it gets. Alright guys, so this is the end of the video, man. As you can see, the fan is running, the compressor is kicked, the AC working good. Everything is cool, the car is running fine, no problem. We all good. We all good on the AC. Pretty cold in here. Cold as hell in here. Yes, sir. So yeah, we got AC in here. That's one of the things. We also got Apple CarPlay. I just put Apple CarPlay in here too. So we got that working. Got the Apple CarPlay working. What I need to do now is the airbag light. The airbag light is a sensor under the seat, which this seat didn't come with, but it's telling me it should be one under there. It's like a real sensor. That's what keeping the airbag light on. The traction light is this column, the steering column. It's basically telling me the wheel is turned 180 degrees. So I might just need a whole new one, whole new steering column. So I gotta take the wheel off, take that column on, put a new one in there. Yeah, but everything else, the airbag light is this seat. I still can't figure out how I'm gonna get a sensor, because this seat don't have a sensor on it. Like, that's why I don't understand. But it's saying that because it's missing that, that's why the light is on. But everything else is good. I changed the module, I changed everything. It's just that seat. So I gotta find me a way to get the sensor under the seat. But yeah, the car is running good. Everything is good on the car. We're just gonna keep it V6. I was thinking about swapping it, but we're gonna keep it as V6. I also got me, the Jeep is over there. I also got me another car.